There's no legal requirement that a business must have been trading and operating for a minimum amount of time to be approved. When we say any business could be approved to become a sponsor, we really mean it. The requirements to get that blanket approval are minimal. You can be a sole trader, you can be a partnership, a PTY, a co-op, any incorporated business that has an ABN can seek approval to become a business sponsor. And again, once approved, that approval will be valid for 5 years.
Even the government can sponsor.
That's correct. Government agencies and so on.
Yeah.
So we know a few stories, don't we, Michel, about I think Julia Gillard's office used to
had someone in the cabinet who was a sponsor.
Yeah, that leaked during the Gillard years, and they were not advocates of this visa. The 485 visa is the descendant of the 457 visa. The 457 visa was created in 1996 by the Howard government. So it is a liberal government creation, the whole skilled migration program. So labor tends to be vocal against it, but when they were in power, there were never that many visas granted under this program. So they really went for it. But we're not here to talk politics. So any size business, any age business. So we get a lot of contacts from startups saying, I really need to sponsor people to get this funding or get this business going. But I've heard that startups cannot sponsor. Not true. There's no legal requirement that a business must have been trading and operating for a minimum amount of time to be approved. So the business needs to be trading, but we've secured approvals even for businesses that technically were not. Wow. So one of our large clients is a restaurants. They are very prominent here in Sydney, but now they're in Brisbane as well. I can't name names, but when they started now there's 2 restaurants that they own in Brisbane. They needed a chef to be there on the first day when they opened their doors. And that chef needed to have work rights at that day. So we had to approve the business even before they opened their doors. So we show things like they had rented the premises, they were refurbishing the premises, they had bought equipment, they had entered into employment contracts. So literally the day after someone register a business, depending on the case, depending on the business plan, we could secure an approval for that business.